Hello, my dear friends. I am K.K. Kochu Mohammed, Treasurer, Kerala Pradesh Congress Committee. In today's BJP ruled India, democracy is dying. The central government is leading unethical movements to topple people's mandate and elected governments. BJP has now created a situation in the country where elected MLAs are openly bribed and horse trading, a political culture. This is a blatant violation of democratic principles and constitutional values. We have seen this in Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh, and now it is going on in Rajasthan. Latest developments from Rajasthan is undoubtedly shameful and humiliating for any democracy. The Honorable Governor of Rajasthan is not willing to call assembly session, even on the demand of Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. This delay is just for arranging adequate time for defecting MLAs and leaders from Congress Party. The situation is defaming not only for Indian democracy but for world democracy. At the time of crisis caused by global pandemic, elected governments dragged and dropped to this turmoil is completely unfair. All India Congress Committee is conducting nationwide online protest in this regard, namely Speak Up for Democracy. People who believe in justice and democracy will join this protest across the country. I register my protest to protect our constitutional and democratic values and add my voice in this massive campaign. Thank you.